Hello viewers, the year 2021 is almost upon us. By the time you're seeing this video, it will already be the 2021. And the reason for this video is to kind of get a survey on the material that makes an appearance on the channel this year and going forwards. Probably sometime towards the middle of the year there will be some new topics coming out, providing that the year 2021 is not quite as much of a disaster as the year 2020 was. Anyways, I have done some experimentation this year with different topics, and as far as the quantity of views is concerned, the telephone videos always seem to come out on top. But there's more to the channel and to the individual videos than just the number of views. And if I record a video and 10 people watch it and enjoy it, and we have a nice discussion about that video, then that video was well worth recording. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a survey out. I think I have to put it into a separate post. I'm not sure if I can attach it to the comment section or to the description. If I can, then I'll do that, and that's better. But if I can't, I will put one of those post things out, and within that post there will exist a poll, and the poll will have a variety of topics in it. And what I'm looking for is a sample of what kind of topics are of the most interest, and if there's any other topics that haven't been covered previously on the channel that people want to see. That, of course, I think you'd have to post into just the comments box. I'm not sure if the poll thing has the option to write something in. I have to look in that and figure it out. Either way, provide some feedback either through the poll and or through the comments box, either on this video or on the poll post, about what kind of topics you want to see on this channel, whether they be ones that we've had or ones that have not yet been covered. I've got a lot of material in this room. I got through a lot of it this summer when I was out of work, but I haven't gotten through all of it. There's plenty of things in here that have never been seen on video. I have to dig out a lot of stuff that I haven't recorded in a while. I've been thinking about going back and doing some revisits to some of the fans I recorded years ago when the channel first started, when the video quality wasn't as good. So if there's any interest in things like that, things that we recorded a couple of years ago that you want to see again, I can do that. I've got a lot of ceiling fans that I haven't recorded. I'm very behind on ceiling fans. So if there's interest in ceiling fans, I've got a lot of old audio equipment that I could record. I've got a lot of computer material I can record. I have been receiving periodically some requests for computer videos. I've been trying to do some more. So I was doing this one here the other day. So there was something else I wanted to mention. Oh yeah, if there is specific items, I know I've gotten a couple of requests. I know there's actively a request for this pedestal fan. It's going to take some effort to get it out of there. That's the reason why I haven't recorded it yet. But I haven't forgotten about it. If there are specific items that you want to see recorded, let me know in the comments box of this video. Continually going forward, come back to this video and put those requests in this comments box, because what happens is people will mention the requests in the comments box, and sometimes I don't even see them because the comments management system is not 100% reliable. But a lot of times I'll see them and then I just kind of forget, which is totally my fault. I should do something else to organize it better. But if they were all in the same video, then I would have no excuse. So I want to try to organize it that way and see if that works a little better. Anyways, so that's it. This will probably be the first video for the year 2021, and I'll collect some feedback, and then I will try to morph the channel into what the viewers want it to be. Now, remember, it's not going to happen overnight. I don't need people getting in that comments box on January 2nd telling me they didn't see the videos they wanted to see yet. It's going to take some time. It's going to take weeks, or months to organize things and show what people want to see. So that's I hope 2021 is not a total freak show like 2020. Over and out.